What's up, y'all? You kicking it with the Junkyard Dog on junkyarddogs.com. Man, we at the airport right now. You know your boy been junkyarding from state to state. Big shout out to Wade Jacobson, man. He ended up coming through and buying some GT40 heads so that I can make this trip. So I'm going out to Wall, New Jersey for Formula D. I'm gonna hook up with driver Alec Hohnadell, shoot a little footage, hang out with the sponsors. Also gonna be kicking it with Mr. Eric Sebo, my man's over at Permatex. Big shout for the hookup. I really appreciate it, man. So I'm looking forward to this. Just gonna walk around the airport a little bit. We're about to board the plane in a minute. I'm excited. I know I'm like kind of seem like I'm kind of chill right now, but I'm like excited. You know what I mean? This is really big for me, man. Big shout to all the peoples out there. Yeah, keep messing with the dog, man. Let's go. Where am I going? Where am I going? I know I'm kind of like chill right now because I'm like not really feeling the flights. I don't really like getting on planes, even though I work in aerospace, which is kind of funny. One of the funny things about this whole thing is the airline we're flying with, Spirit, and my day job, we actually make parts for this plane. So it better fly straight, it better fly right, you know what I mean? So yeah, check it out.
Autorizado para el primer instante, one beacon breaker.
Hey, you went hard in the paint, dude. So, hey, man, what's the plan for the next one, man? It's up in Washington, right?
Yeah, Seattle.
Yeah.
So, you know, it's a fast track. It's a long bank into like a kind of tight left hand into a really hard hairpin right. So it's very tricky to get that speed slowed down in the right area. Because you're carrying so much momentum coming off the bank.
Oh, yeah.
And these cars have so much grip. If you let off the gas too early or too much, and it grips up, it'll just go straight into the wall.
Dang.
You're like off the gas, e-brake check. Back on gas, off the gas, e-brake check. You're like, I got this.
Playing with it.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what's up. What's up? So for those of you who don't know who this is, Alec Hohnadell, right? Did I say it right?
Yeah, you got it.
Okay, I said it right.
One of the few that gets it right.
Yeah, professional fun haver. There we have it.
That's right.
Woo! 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 Yeah, you got a good one. You got a good one.
I'm a Ric Flair fan, so you know that's how you got to do it. You know what I mean? Hey, look, I'm having a blast out here, man. Check this out. Out of all the places I've been, they had the bomb food right here.
And it's all sitting right there.
I know. I ate as much as I could take, man. You know, I can only eat so much. So, yo, man. So what's the plan, man? I mean, going forward from here, like, how do you feel you're gonna fare for the rest of the season?
You know, I feel mentally I can do it. You know, I always feel like there's a way to do it, and I feel like I can find that way. It's just putting that to use and actually doing it.
Right,
you know?
right. Execution.
Yeah, execution. I feel like this sport is one about commitment, two about style, and three about just having seat time.
Oh, okay.
And I feel like seat time is something that we're truly lacking in this area at this time. And it's at such a high level now. Formula Drift has really evolved over the past 4 or 5 years.
Yeah.
You need seat time. You need to be reactive and have sharpest reaction skills. And as you can see, it's a lot about reaction. Like, you don't know what the driver in front of you is going to do, so you have to react to that.
Okay.
And I feel like that's what the seat time comes in. So.
Yeah, it's like it's real organic, and I find that it's like because the races are so short. It's good for people with short attention spans. You know what I'm saying? Because we're in that generation where everybody's like, what was that squirrel? You know what I'm saying? So
that's me.
So hey, okay, so check this out. I look at racing in different forms of music, right? So I look at drag racing like rock and roll. I look at NASCAR like country music. What do you think drifting would be?
It could either be one of those Latin American like dance songs where you kind of just dancing with each other,
right?
Or for me, I like this hard rap, like some Night Lavelle, Suicide Boys. Like, you know, I'd be playing that whenever I go out. It's just that's my kind of vibe, but I do consider drifting as more of a dance. You want to dance with the person in front of you.
Oh, okay. So that's what mine says. It says dance music. You know what I mean? That's tight. That's tight.
You gotta get jiggy with each other.
So any plans with the motor as a you know, like anything you're gonna do extra or take away?
So the motor should stay the same for Seattle. Seattle's going to be more of like a rear end gear change, get a little bit lower of a gear so we have more top end. You know, tire pressure, a little bit of rebound changes like suspension and stuff like that. Overall, the same exact car, just trying to get it set up and prepared for that track.
That's dope. That's dope. Well, that's it, man. I just want to talk to you a little bit. I don't want to take too much of your time. Kicking with the Junkyard Doggin, Alec Hohnadell, man.
Thank y'all for watching.
All right, peace out.